And with that, it makes it very easy for me to see this white model and the black model of this particular Windows phone are the ones that are selling the best. But in this case, they've actually got a pretty steady decrease down from their initial high. So it might be time to introduce a new model to be able to provide that. I can also compare that to the other models that are being sold by a competitor of ours, the phone company. And when I start adding those in, I realize, wow, the phone company really doesn't have any winning products. Almost all of these are fairly minimal in comparison. So those insights are insights that I didn't have to build a report to get. They just naturally arose through working inside the site. By putting this in, I also get the ability to see where they're pulling the data from. So in this case, it's pulling from a specific Excel file that's been uploaded. If you had your SQL Server connected in, it might suggest that. All of that is part of the ability to get greater insights into the system. I can also flip back just to the featured questions to say, hey, I'd like to see sales in the United States by state. This is a great example, again, that's showing sales in state where country is United States is kind of a very limited way of looking at it. I'm not going to be able to remember that query, but I can say just show me the sales by state. And if I choose, this is a rich map, so I can actually zoom in or zoom out to get additional information on that particular item. Makes it very easy to get information without having to dig through it. And I can see our biggest sales are obviously in California, but Washington has a number of wins, and there's actually a huge amount of sales that are occurring in the eastern seaboard along the I-95 corridor as well. If I want to, if I hit show, I can also flip this into those other charts. So I can look at the underlying table to see the information. I might want to put it into a line chart to see who's selling the best. I can see here California is obviously rocking it, but Texas and Washington also have high ways as well. Or I can go into a pie chart to bring that in. So that data is purely on my own. I haven't gone in to look in to be able to have that.